Good morning, children. Welcome to the new academic year. Children, you have been studying various subjects like science, English, maths, Hindi, Marathi, right? But this year, that is in class 3, you will learn another new and equally interesting subject, that is social studies. Before starting a new lesson, it is important to know why SST needs to be learned and what are we going to study in this subject. Social studies is the study about our past, the economic conditions of our country, the political system, and the surrounding that we live in. So it is very important because its study helps us to gain knowledge of the society we live in. Now, I'm going to introduce you with a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Our Earth. Now, in this lesson, you will learn about the Earth is the only planet where life exists. The Earth and its family. The shape of the Earth, and last point is, our Earth is a part of the solar system. Now, before moving ahead, let's do a small activity. So just take your notebook and pencil and draw these given shapes in your notebook. Now, children, you need to write which shape do you think is the closest to the shape of the Earth. As you begin to learn this lesson, you will get the answer to your question. Children, on which planet do we live on? Yes, we all live on a very beautiful blue planet called Earth. So Earth is our home. In this chapter, we will study in detail about our Earth. Now the Earth is a planet which is round in shape just like an orange. A planet is a heavenly body that revolves around the sun. This lesson contains some words that you may have never heard before. For example, heavenly body. Now, what does heavenly body mean? It means any object existing in space, especially planets, stars, the sun, or the moon. Just as we each have our own family, Earth also has its own family. So let's see who are in the family of the Earth. It has 7 planets in its family. Together they make 8 planets. Now, here are their names. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The sun is a star. It shines on the earth to give heat and light. So we get heat and light from the sun. The sun is the head of this family. The sun and 8 planets form the solar system. Now, you must have understood the earth is one of the 8 planets travel around the sun. Okay, so the sun does not move, only planets move around the sun. A planet Earth is a huge rocky ball and the only planet suitable for life as it has air and water. What does it mean, children? It means because of the presence of air and water, our Earth is suitable to live. So in this way, our Earth is different from the other planets because no other planet has life except the Earth. The Earth has large amount of water. A larger portion of the Earth is covered by water than by land. Hence, the Earth is also called blue planet. As here you can see 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water and only 1/4 is land, which consists of soil, sand and rocks. The Earth has air all around it that helps us to breathe. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas, and this layer is called atmosphere. So the blanket of air around Earth is called atmosphere. We breathe in air, eat plants and animals, drink water daily, and stay warm. So all living beings get food, water, and air from the Earth. The Earth, as you know, is round. But long ago, everyone believed that the Earth was flat. They believed that if they traveled too far off lands, then chances were that they would fall off. But we had some learned men like Copernicus and Magellan who said that the Earth was not flat but was like a ball without any edges. Children, in this lesson, we learned some new words and its meanings. That is, heavenly body, planet, solar system, and last word is revolves. Now, let's recap what we have learned so far. Our Earth is made up of land and water. Air surrounded the Earth. 8 planets revolve around the Sun, and our Earth is one of them. A larger portion of the Earth is covered by water than by land. Our Earth is spherical in shape, and it is also called as blue planet. Children, kindly go through this lesson. I'll be giving you some more questions related to this chapter. Till then, write the answers of these given questions and learn given words and its meanings. Thank you, students.